Hi YouTube, making another video here just for fun. And I want to talk about something that drives me crazy. Almost literally, the drive. We're going to talk about screwdrivers. Why? Because a lot of you guys keep saying the wrong thing. So we're going to sort out you guys and see who knows what they're talking about. And maybe we'll see if I know what I'm talking about too, because a lot of times I get things wrong too. We're all human. But this is driving me crazy. So let's take a look at this. You know what this is, right? I can hear some of you guys saying Phillips. Yeah, it's Phillips. Okay. So you guys got that one. Good. Okay. What is this? Yeah, okay. In the back there. Yeah, I heard you. That's an Allen key or a hex key. Okay. And what is the... Oh boy, you guys. I heard you way in the back there. I heard you way in the back. Right? You got it right. Most of you guys. Oh boy. Yep. That's not a flathead screwdriver. Sorry. There's no such thing as a flathead screwdriver. Why? This is a slotted screwdriver. You guys keep saying flathead. It's not a flathead screwdriver. Okay? The flathead is the head style. This is the drive style. They're two different things. Let's look at some examples. This is a panhead. That's the head style. What's the drive? The drive is Phillips. Ta-da! Panhead Phillips. You can have a panhead slotted. So I have a slot going all the way across it for a slotted screwdriver. Okay. Round head. The head is round. Look it up. Check it out. It's got a slot in it for a slotted screwdriver. Ta-da! Okay. You with me so far? Maybe? Flathead screw. Yeah. That's a flathead screw because the head is flat. And guess what? It's slotted. See the slot? Slotted screwdriver. Slotted screw. Okay. Flathead screw. Yeah? Phillips drive. Does that make the Phillips screwdriver a flathead screwdriver? If your naming convention is consistent, that would make it a flathead screwdriver, but it's not. Phillips is the drive style, not the head style. Two different things. Flathead sheet metal. Okay. It's got an aggressive thread to it. Does not accept a nut. Okay. Flathead machine screw. You can't really see it, but it's threaded. It will accept a nut. That's what makes it a machine screw. Both flathead. Both Phillips drive. Flathead. Slotted. Wood screw. It's tapered, so it can bite into the wood progressively. Here's another example. Flathead, Allen drive, hex drive. Does that mean all of your Allen keys are actually flathead screwdrivers? If your naming convention is consistent, it would mean that all of your Allen keys are flathead screwdrivers. No. This is not a flathead screwdriver. This is a flathead screw, but it's a flathead cap screw. It's also a machine screw because it will accept a nut. Okay? Flathead screws, slotted screwdrivers, slotted drives. Okay? It's a slotted screwdriver. Slotted screws. Phillips screwdriver. Still a flathead screw. Phillips drive. Okay? Don't be an idiot. Okay? Say it right. Phillips slotted. Thank you.